Hey all, it's Jonathan Pollard from Style Factory here, the go-to site for e-commerce advice and resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access a special extended trial of Shopify. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so when you sign up for a Shopify trial, it normally lasts just 3 days. And while the trial lets you design a store during this period, it won't let you put it live or actually sell anything with it. But there's a better trial available from Shopify that lets you use a fully functional version of the platform for 3 months for just $1 per month. Significantly, this version of the trial gives you complete access to all of Shopify's features, and unlike the regular trial, lets you fully launch your store and sell products with it. Additionally, using this trial can save you hundreds of dollars on a Shopify subscription, because you're effectively getting your first 3 months of service for just $3. So, here's how you get your hands on this extended Shopify trial. 1. Click on the special Style Factory link. Because Style Factory is an official affiliate partner of Shopify, we have a special link that gives our community direct and immediate access to the $1 per month Shopify trial. I've put this in the video description and the URL for it is on screen now. 2. Create your Shopify account. The next step is very easy. You just enter your email address into the field provided, answer a few questions about how you'd like to use the platform, and decide on a password. This creates your Shopify account. 3. Pick the plan you'd like to try out. Next, you'll be asked to select the plan you'd like to try out. Just pick your preferred plan to continue. If you're just starting out and don't have any team members working with you, the basic plan is usually best. But if you need other people to have access to the admin area of your Shopify store, the Grow plan is a better option. 4. Activate your 3-month trial. Once you've picked a plan to try out, you'll be asked for your credit card details. This may seem a bit off-putting, but it's important to note that you can cancel your Shopify trial anytime you like and before a full subscription kicks in. And now you've got full access to your chosen Shopify plan for 3 months for just $1 per month. If you need that special free trial link again, a reminder that you'll find it in the description or on screen now. Before you go, we'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. This will give you easy access to all our e-commerce offers, tips, and resources going forward. And if you have any questions about the Shopify $1 for 3 months trial, do feel free to leave them in the comments section. We read them all and will do our best to help.